Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AmpCoin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward, but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed, in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address, analyzing future readiness and disrupting and transforming customer experiences. The fundamental layers of Metaverse are very well integrated within Tech Mahindra and its competencies. From infrastructure to experience, from spatial computing to now commerce, Tech Mahindra's platform, the Techverse, would enable a seamless integration between our known expertise in 5G with our skills in AI, Arkansas VR, and blockchain. We would be training a workforce of 1,000 engineers to ensure they are ready to solve complex business challenges and imagine new worlds for our customers and society. Burgeoning growth with the growing popularity and adoption of the Metaverse, the global revenue opportunity that it represents could potentially reach or surpass $800 billion in 2024. Tech Mahindra has positioned itself in the forefront to harness the potential that the Metaverse offers, with the tech giant looking to leverage 5G to provide a seamless and enhanced experience in the Metaverse. Tech Mahindra has already highlighted its potential through its showcase Welcome to Simplicity at the Mobile World Congress. The showcase demonstrated how the company plans to allow communication service providers to take advantage of this new technology. Speaking about working with Tech Mahindra and stepping into the Metaverse, President, Communications, Media and Entertainment and CEO, Network Services, Manish Vyas, stated, "Metaverse is a disruptive opportunity to unlock the next frontier of new-age digital immersive experiences." With our foray into the Metaverse, Tech Mahindra is geared to enable limitless opportunities in the virtual world by building scalable services through foundational capabilities and device engineering expertise, lead to even greater inflationary prices over the short term. We expect inflation to return to 2%, but it is likely to take longer than previously expected, Powell said. No one knows with any certainty where the economy will be 1 year or more from now. Powell explained that in his view, it isn't likely that the U.S. enters a financial depression as FOMC participants continue to foresee growth and low unemployment rates. Bitcoin spiked above $40,000 as the Federal Reserve announced it would hike interest rates and shrink its balance sheet. The peer-to-peer currency had been consolidating below that level for nearly a month with momentary spikes in the daily chart. It is unclear whether the level will hold. In addition to Bitcoin, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 indices have also turned green to score gains above 2% at press time. While assets perceived as riskier in the minds of investors, including growth stocks and Bitcoin, tend to bleed as monetary policies tighten up, the FOMC statement came in line with expectations, shedding fears that a more hawkish set of policies could have been announced instead. And second news today opinion US Treasury confirms we can remove illicit activity from Bitcoin FUD dice. It's time to take illicit activity off the FUD dice. Earlier this month, the U.S. Department of the Treasury published reports that indicated that the use of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for illicit activity is far outstripped by the use of traditional assets. Critics can no longer credibly present the specter of illicit activity to beat back Bitcoin. Now the foremost experts in the film industry is not a major threat. We're building another road, Decentralized Pictures co-founder Leo Matchett told Decrypt, describing the platform as a filtering mechanism to find quality filmmakers. Hollywood players are already pitching in too. Last month, Ocean's 11 director Steven Soderbergh contributed $300,000 to fund an award on the platform. As with a lot of things I've done, its documentary initiative kicks off on May 20th and will run through June 20. Decentralized Pictures will be presenting the platform at the Future of Film, a series of talks hosted by Decrypt and 3 Francs, at the Cannes Film Festival on May 20th. Gambardella is also the host of the very popular YouTube channel Crypto Capital Venture. Earlier today, May 14, he tweeted that we are watching Cardano blockchain explode with innovation, and went on to say that one project which acts as a community-run launchpad is now playing a big role in that innovation. He was referring to Cardashift, Club, a community-run launchpad that raises funds, builds, and accelerates startups that are solving social and environmental issues. I am 100% aware $ADA underperforms in downturns. People don't realize that this is one reason I like it so much. Because while it does underperform in downturns, it outperforms in upturns. This means that we now have a way undervalued asset with most upside potential. This is my take on the market. This is my approach. This is my opinion based on my risk appetite and what I view as compelling opportunity. It's not advice to anyone to go out and buy $ADA. Please be careful out there. 2. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023, it appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024 AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025 and 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain